Nestled along the picturesque coastline of Umhlanga, Durban, the Radisson Hotel stands as a beacon of luxury and architectural elegance. Opened to the public on June 7, 2022, this iconic establishment quickly became a landmark epitomizing the fusion of modernity and comfort. A masterpiece of contemporary architecture, the hotel offers an immersive experience reflecting Durban's rich heritage. Beyond its facade, it features luxurious amenities, from fine dining to spa retreats, and its location allows easy exploration of Umhlanga's culture and beauty. Each of its 206 rooms offers mesmerizing ocean views, ensuring a stay that is as breathtaking as it is comfortable. The Radisson Hotel in Umhlanga has become a preferred destination for those seeking sophistication and comfort. With state-of-the-art conference facilities and a commitment to exceptional service, the hotel stands as a testament to the vibrant spirit of Durban.